Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, we'll see about deep link. Okay, so first of all, let me understand you the scenario. So what I'm going to do, let me go to my, I can go anywhere. Let me go to procurement and sourcing, and let me go to all purchase order. So in short, like deep links, they are nothing. It is a direct, navigation of a URL. Let's say you are sending an email and you want the user to go into a specific purchase order. So at a time you can generate a deep link for that one. So what I mean to say by that is, so let's say this particular customer, let me go with anyone. For example, this one, Contoso Chemicals, Japan. So let's say if you only want to open this particular specific record. Okay, how you can achieve this? So for that, I'm going to create a class. I will say my class name as deep link test. So let me say it as deep link test, and let me add my project prefix here. So it will take a second and my class will be added. So I will directly start writing code there. Alright, my class is ready now. I can remove this extra piece of code and it should be fine now. Okay, let me remove this. Alright, this is fine now. So here first of all I need to import this, so I can say here using Microsoft.dynamics.ax. I'm going to use this framework. It's not framework, it should be only framework. Framework dot I should have utilities. Utilities dot URL helper dot URL generator. Okay, so I can say URL generator here. Alright. Okay, I need to close this. So let me close it out. Okay, this looks fine now. Now the first thing is that I'm going to write, or I'm going to create a variable. I'm going to declare a variable named as generator, and here I will say question new Microsoft dot dynamics dot x. Actually I need to use this capital one here, so dot framework, here we go, dot utilities dot URL helper dot URL generator. Alright, so I'm going to use this particular function here, and let me close it out. And here what I will do, I will copy this exactly here as well. Okay, and let me do a save. Okay, now this looks good. Okay, you just be with me. After some time you'll be able to understand what we are doing and how it will be done. And then you can declare one more variable named as current host equals to new system dot URI. So you have this URL utility. Let me write it again. URL utility alright, right, just a second here. Again, my keyboard is. So I can use this get URL, and I'm going to close this. All right. Then using my this generator, I can call my host URL, and it is actually going to get the Dynamics URL. So I can say here current host dot get left part. So our URL starts with left, so it is going to take that. Then I'm going to use this system URI partial URI partial because we don't need the complete URL, we need just base URL. So I will say authority. Alright, now once this will be done, then I can specify the company, generator dot company. I can get my company using this current ext function. Alright, and now as I want to like open my purchase order, this purchase order, so I need to know the menu item name, so it's purge table list page. So here now I will specify my menu item name. So I can see here generator dot menu item name. Okay, I can use this menu item display str. Inside this I can put the name, so it's purge table list page. Let me verify it as well. Purge table list page. Okay, so I will go here. Okay, now I've specified my menu item name, so let me also specify the type of menu item. We have display, output, action. So I'm going to specify menu item type now. So now my menu item type would be definitely this display one. It is a form, so I can say here menu item type, and here I will specify it as display. And then we can also get the current partition as well. So for that I can use this function get current partition. Here we go. All right. Now once we have the base URL, we know what menu item, what is the type of our menu item. Then I can go ahead and I can use this request query parameter collection. Now I need to create a query. Say currently we just know this base URL, which menu item, which form to open. Now we'll specify specifically which record we need to open. So assume we want to open this particular record 007. So I'm going to copy it. And here let me put this so that I can copy it easily from here. Alright, so I will again declare one more variable named as request query parameter collection, and here from my generator I can call this request query parameter collection. Alright, so basically this is going to be stored here. Okay, and now I can directly use this one. So I'll copy this. I can say dot address. I don't know why this function is not getting visible here, but it exists here. Query parameter. Okay, now here I need to specify my like query, like what is my data source, what is my field name, and in which record I want to apply. So I can say here form data source str. So I need to specify my data source name. So for that, first of all I need to specify my form name. My form name is purge table, and what is my data source? My data source is purge table. Alright, this is done. Then the second thing I need to specify it in which field I want to apply the filter. So as I need to apply the filter into my purge ID field, right? So for that, I need to specify my table name, then my field name here. So it's done. Then specifically what value I want to filter. So currently I want to filter this particular value, right? Not this one. Let me go here. This one, right? So let me go here and specify this one. Okay. So when you will do this practically, the only thing you will need to modify is this and this. That's it. Like the rest of the code, it's quite of standard code only. Okay, now this is done. Now you know like in which record you want to navigate. Then you can use this system dot. You can use this URI. You can create an object. I can say full URI equals to. So from your generator function, you can get the full URL. You can use this generate full URL function. Okay, and let me close it out. All right, and now here it will simply display. You can easily get URL from this full URI dot absolute URI. Okay, but what I will do, so when I will run this variable class, I want to automatically open that particular record, so I can use my browser class here. I'll create an object of my browser class, and I can say equals to new browser. Right now, once this will be done, then using my browser object, class, I can call this navigate. Okay, and here I need to pass my URL. So my URL is this, right? Full URI dot absolute URI. So I can say full URI dot absolute URI. Okay, and then I can say open this in new tab. Okay, and show existing warning. I can make it false. I don't want to see anything. And actually, this code is not required here because I'm going to open this one into a new tab. Okay, so here is some issue. Address query parameter collection. Okay, I think the function name is wrong. Let me remove this. So the function name is add request query parameter. Let me save it. Okay, now this looks fine. So I'm going to build this and then we'll test it out. Alright guys, so I'm running my runnable class and you can see it is automatically opening this particular record here. So if you'll notice the URL here, you can see it has actually coded all the values, right? So you can use this direct URL. So for example, let's say I can copy this URL and I can share this URL to a specific user, and he can directly navigate to that particular purchase order. That is, in my case, it was I think probably this one, 1234507. So you see here exactly Contoso Chemicals Japan. Okay, and I can open this purchase order from here itself. And if I will come back, so I will get the same one. So this is how deep you can use your deep links, especially in email paths in D365 Finance and Operations X++ programming language. Thank you for watching this video.